Welcome back to a super cool video about Ferrari Amalfi, the 2 Plus Berlinetta with a mid-front V8 engine, just launched on July 1, 2025 in Amalfi, Italy, replacing the legendary Ferrari Roma. This is a supercar that perfectly combines top performance, everyday practicality, and stunning design. This video will review the highlights that make Amalfi the new warhorse of Ferrari. Come on, explore. Let's go. Exterior design, sophisticated, modern, Ferrari. Ferrari Amalfi is not just a car, it is a work of art. The Ferrari Styling Centre team, led by Flavio Manzoni, took inspiration from Roma but pushed the design to new heights with a monolithic speedform style, powerful, minimalist, and ultra-modern. Striking front, ditching the traditional grille, the Amalfi uses a body-colored, floating wing, combined with a thin strip of LED lights with integrated sensors. The long, intricately sculpted bonnet hides the 640 horsepower V8 engine, creating a feeling of both luxury and aggression. Sharp body, wedge-shaped lines run along the body, combined with technical cuts, creating a sharp, modern look. Powerful rear, minimalist taillights hidden in cuts, reminiscent of classic Ferrari models, combined with an integrated active spoiler, providing stability at high speeds. This spoiler has 3 modes: low drag, medium downforce, high downforce, generating up to 110 kg of downforce at 250 km per hour while increasing drag by less than 4%. Launch color, Verde Costiera, a shade of blue inspired by the Amalfi Coast, highlighting every curve and making Amalfi stand out like a pearl. 20-inch wheels, forged light alloy wheels, with Bridgestone Potenza Sport or Pirelli P0 tires, 245/35 R20 front, 285/35 R20 rear, perfectly balancing aesthetics, performance and comfort. Interior, luxury, technology, and back to physical buttons. Step into the cockpit of the Amalfi and you will immediately feel the luxury and sophistication with the dual cockpit configuration, creating a separate but connected space for the driver and passengers. New steering wheel with physical buttons, Ferrari listened to the fans. Ditching the difficult-to-use touch buttons on the Roma, the Amalfi brought back physical buttons, including the legendary red start button. The ADAS, phone, and display controls are scientifically arranged, easy to operate even when drifting at high speed. The top 3 screens, 15.6 inches for the digital instrument cluster, displaying everything from speed to G-force. 10.25 inches of central touch, multimedia control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and vehicle settings. 8.8 inches for the passenger, turning them into a co-pilot, with the ability to view the revs or adjust the seat. Premium materials. Carbon fiber interior, contrast stitching, and Bellagio green accents. Comfortable seats with 10 massage airbags, 5 modes, 3 levels, with heating/cooling function. Burmester sound system, optional 14 speakers, 1200 W power, with ring radiator, tweeter for clear sound, turning the cabin into a mobile concert hall. Practicality, 2 Plus configuration with folding rear seats, increasing luggage capacity to 273 liters, enough room for golf bags or luggage for short trips. V8 engine, the 640 horsepower heart is more powerful than ever. The Amalfi is equipped with a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine from the famous F154 series, tuned to deliver 640 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and 760 Nm of torque from 3,000 to 5,750 RPM. This is a technical masterpiece. Incredible performance, 0 to 100 km per hour, just 3.3 seconds. 0 to 200 km per hour, 9.0 seconds. Top speed, 320 km per hour. Power-to-weight ratio of 2.29 kg per horsepower, leading the segment. Advanced technology, New turbocharger system, maximum turbo speed of 171,000 RPM, with individual pressure sensors for each cylinder bank, improving throttle response and precision. New ECU, shared with the 296 GTB and 12 cylindry, optimizing engine performance. Weight reduction, 1.3 kilograms lighter camshaft, 1 kilogram lighter engine block thanks to precision machining. Low viscosity oil reduces cold drag by 30%. 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, refined from the SF90 Stradale, providing super-fast and smooth gear changes. Signature Ferrari sound. Exhaust system with proportional bypass valve, trimetallic ceramic catalyst, and flat-plane crankshaft create a distinctive roar that will give you goosebumps. Dynamics, precise, stable, and super fun. The Amalfi is not only fast, but also offers a sharp and controllable driving experience, suitable for both rookies and experienced pilots. Brake-by-wire braking system, first appeared on Ferrari's GT line, reduces braking distance, 100 to 0 km per hour in 30.8 m, 200 to 0 km per hour in 119.5 m, and improves pedal feel. ABS Evo, integrated 6D sensor, optimizes braking force for each wheel, ensuring performance on all surfaces. Side slip control 6.1, new generation side slip control system, helps stabilize the car when drifting while still maintaining excitement. Improved EPS steering system, 10% faster in estimating traction, providing precise feedback even on slippery roads. Active spoiler. Automatically adjusts 3 positions based on speed and acceleration, increasing downforce without reducing aerodynamic efficiency. Magnetorheological suspension, balances between smoothness in wet/comfort mode and firmness in sport/race, suitable for all driving styles. The Ferrari Amalfi is not just a replacement for the Roma, but a step up, combining mind-blowing performance, captivating design, and rare practicality. With a 640 horsepower V8, brake-by-wire technology, active spoilers, and a luxurious interior with a physical back button, the Amalfi is every speed enthusiast's dream. Prices start at around €240,000, about $283,000, and customers will be able to get their hands on the car in early 2026.